Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Nigel Realty 24/7 YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be giving you a quick update on Bloom Residence, which is located in Osapa, London. So, hey, stay tuned to the end of this video so that you can catch all the cryptic information that we have for you. So I said, well, I see you at the end of the video. My name is Goodness Usman, your fab lady realtor for Nigel Realty 24/7, and of course, the queen of landlord makers. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the latest update on Bloom Residence. Like I've told you before, that you're going to be getting all of the information, the current information on what's happening on site and on the investment opportunity that you have right here in this estate. Now, I need to tell you guys that it is an off-land project, and ladies and gentlemen, construction has started. When we introduced this property into the market on pre-launch sales, so many people, or some people rather, were skeptical about it because it's an off-plan project and it has flexible payment plan of 18 months without interest. The question on the lips of many was, when is construction going to start? Are you sure they're going to start the construction this year, 2023? Well, like I told you guys, that yes, construction recommenced almost immediately. Now you can see for yourself. So they started the foundation, ladies and gentlemen, of the terraces, and I am excited to showcase this to you guys, because when it comes to off-plan project, I understand when some people are a bit skeptical of embarking on such project, because they have heard stories, or they themselves had experienced some delay in off-plan project that they embarked on. So yes, I understand how you feel, and that is why I'm very careful when it comes to introducing you to any off-plan project, because delivery is key to me, not just you only. Yes, when you embark on an off-land project and it's delivered on time, or maybe slightly after the timeline that was given to you, it is only at that point that you can maximize the real advantage or the profit involved for you being a first-time off taker, or how do we even put it? Anyway, you put it, whether as a first-time investor or off taker. Okay, basically as an off taker, because there's so much advantage to being an off taker on an off-land project. But if you experience delay in it, of course, that completely erodes the advantage. So yes, this is just to say to you guys that I get it. And yeah, now construction has started. This is really exciting for me. And again, let's talk about the location where this property is located. This project is located within Osapa London in Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria by Friends Connolly. Now, from what you already know, if you're not familiar, for those that are familiar rather with this environment, you already know that this is within the metropolitan area in Lagos. I mean, it's just very close proximity to the Lekki Phase 1 itself. Of course, if you are not aware or you are not familiar with the area, let me give you some certain landmarks. Now, we have quite a number of ShopRites that we have in on the island in Lagos, Nigeria, and one of them is very close to where we have this property, which is the Jakande ShopRite. Is known as Sakumo. Yes, Sakumo to this particular property is about a straight route. From Sakumo here, it's less than 5 minutes drive when you get to into for you to get into First Colony. And ladies and gentlemen, that is just First Colony, and this is where this is Bloom Residence beside it right there. So for those who probably don't know where this is, I think with this little explanation you would have gotten an idea of where it is. And of course, from what you can see already, you will see that this is about the only empty land you can see around. So yes, it's heavily built. About the other thing that you need to know, ladies and gentlemen, the prices are no longer the same. Yes, and of course the two-bedroom terrace is now sold out, like I said before in our last video when we told you guys about the price increase a lot. So effectively from 1st of September, these new prices are taking place. Now this is what we have. We have the one-bedroom apartment, which is currently selling at 50 million naira only, and of course the one-bedroom maisonette selling at 60 million naira only. Now we also have the three-bedroom terrace, ladies and gentlemen, selling at 100 million naira only. The four-bedroom terrace with a BQ selling at 125 million naira. And the last but not the least is the four-bedroom penthouse with a BQ selling at 185 million naira. Now, all of the terraces comes with a BQ. So we only have 5 options for you to own your own home. These 5 different house types that I mentioned are the only option you have right now to be part of this investment right here in Osapa, London, in Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. Now, the other thing you should know, yes, is that 10 million naira initial deposit is all you need to key into any of this house type. However, the 18 months interest free is no longer available. What you have right now is 12 months payment plan. Yes, this is the advantage of taking a big step into an offline project early enough. Right, those who bought into it before now, they were able to enjoy the 18-month payment plan interest free, which is awesome. I mean, that was the selling point for me. If I was to invest here, that was definitely a killer point for me. I mean, it just that just caught my attention. So yes, if you buy now into any of these house type that I mentioned, sorry, all you need, sorry, you don't have access to the 18 months payment plan anymore. What you have now is 12 months, and all you need to do is to start with your 10 million naira as your initial deposit. So yes, I will bring you guys more update on this particular property as the work progresses. I really cannot wait till the first batch of houses or apartments will be delivered in this estate come 2024. So what are you waiting for? You still have the opportunity to own a piece of Bloom residence, ladies and gentlemen, right now. The decision, the ball is right in your court. And I will say to you, you should play it with just 10 million naira, and then you can spread your payment across Trafford without any interest. Trust me when I tell you that when it comes to the Airbnb business, where it is really, really thriving right now, is in this particular axis. It is thriving so strongly here inward, Lekki Phase 1 right now. So you want to own the one-bedroom apartment? Go for it. One-bedroom maisonette, that's perfect. The three-bedroom terrace with a BQ, of course. Four-bedroom terrace with a BQ, come on. And then you can choose the four-bedroom penthouse with a BQ. Trust me, you will not regret investing in this particular project because you have seen what they've done with MIJL residents, ladies and gentlemen. Allow me to remind you guys of the infrastructures that will be available in this particular estate. Yes, we're going to be having a gym house, of course. There's going to be 24 hours power supply. There is going to be a swimming pool, kids play area, and so much more. Just like I said before, what they did in MIJ residence is what is about what you're going to be getting here. Now let me show you guys the 3D of Bloom residence so that you can have an idea of how it does look in terms of the apartment and all of that, even though we do have the life in MIJL residence, so you can see all of that for yourself. So speaking about living in a very lovely estate that is going to be not just safe but is going to be secured, and then a lovely ambience, this is one of them. So for those of you who do not want to invest anything after Jakande, you don't want to consider anything going downward chevron, this is for you. Now, this kind of offer did not last so long in the market, so I want to say to you to come and grab your unit now and then thank me later. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will be delighted to help you make your reservation right here in Bloom Residence, Osapa London, Lekki, Lagos, Nigerian. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget that my name is Goodness Usman, your fab lady router for Niger Realty 24/7 and the queen of landlord makers. So I will see you. Yes, you should be calling me right now. My numbers are scrolling on the screen. Dial those numbers right now, direct calls or WhatsApp. Both numbers are available 247. So until then, I say to you, yes, you, to remain safe and awesome just the way you are. So I say to you, oh, double.